What's up everyone? We are back with another video on my IS300. Gonna be something small. Picked up all these LEDs for miscellaneous uses on the car, but one of the main things I want to tackle is replacing the center console lights to all LEDs. You could see it's an ugly red, and the center console lights as well, some of them have just gone out, and my gauge cluster is dirty. I don't know what all that is. When I purchased the car it was like that, and I couldn't get it off with compound wax. I cleaned the inside, I cleaned the outside, it just wouldn't work, so got a replacement. Oh god, that's bright. Wow.
I'ma let my hands do the talking when I see you, baby girl. I'm just feeling I miss everything that's real about you, and it's everything about you, that's just how I feel about you. Been about you and I'm still about you. Been about you and I'm still about you. Been about you and I'm still about you. Don't go close to me, I'ma go thrill on you. I'ma let my hands do the talking when I see you, baby girl. I'm just feeling I miss everything that's real about you, and it's everything about you, that's just how I feel about you. Been about you and I'm still about you. What? We ain't finished talking.
Alright, moment of truth. I already put all the panels back on, so I hope everything works properly. Okay, Oh man, something's wrong with this book. But center gauge is good. Dang it. This one was the most pain in the ass. Right. Finally sorted it out. So gauge, center console, but what I didn't think about was the radio. Well, I'm gonna get a double din anyway in the future, so shouldn't really matter. But this looks so sick. Gonna make nighttime driving even more enjoyable. It's the small essential stuff for me. This is usually one of the first things I do on a car, but I don't know why I waited so long to do it to this one. I skipped ahead of everything I normally do, but looks so good. It's just the smallest differences add up, especially in daily driving. But if you've watched this far, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.